Hello, I want to thank you guys for checking out another PAPERWERKS video, PAPERWERKS credit. I want to ask you guys to give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave any comments on the video. I would appreciate it. You can also check out our other videos on our channel, PAPERWERKS Credit on YouTube, or go to the website, paperworkscredit.com, and check out the video section. So I wanted to do this real quick video. We're looking at a report, obviously from Privacy Guard, and you can see that this person had an increase of credit score of 222 points on one of their bureaus, 122 and 145 on the other. We started on this particular file in early September. I think our first dispute reached the credit bureaus around September 14th or 15th, somewhere in that range. This person, as you can see, in September, we go down to this chart. For their Experian, they were 522. August 14th, for the TransUnion, 527. And then Equifax, 555 in August, or August 14th. So we updated this report on October 24th. The client did not update the report, so we had to go in and do it for them. But this, the scores here were completed, or I should say, were risen before 30 days. We were able to get the jump in score. But I wanted to talk about something else really quick. I'm going to click View Full Report. It's moving a little slow. Let's see. So what I wanted to talk about when we look at the report is this person is almost ready for funding. They're one step away from funding. So we're here at the page where we can look at anything on their report. So here, I want to point this out first. The scores for Experian and TransUnion would have also been in the 700s, but they had a new collection show up on each of those bureaus, which came after we started the credit reporting. So they could either pay them or we can delete them for them, so they haven't made up their mind on that. But what I wanted to show, you would think with a score at 777, a person should be able to get finance, but they are one step away. Let's see, I'm looking for open accounts. So here you can see they have a Barclays on their credit report, $8,000 limit, but it's an authorized user, so that's not their own account. That's a trade line that they added to their report to add positive history. And then they have another trade line for $7,000, which they call authorized users, to add positive information to their report. So as you can see, they don't have any accounts open for themselves. So you will not be able to, the score could be 800. And the lenders will turn you down because you don't have any accounts showing for your own credit report. So what I'm going to do for those that are interested in getting funding for their personal credit, business credit, you want to first start with getting your own accounts on your credit report. So I'm going to put some links to some accounts that you're guaranteed to get approved for with bad credit, no credit, uh, where you can let those accounts season 4 to 6 months and move on to higher limits and higher cash type of credit cards and loans, that sort of deal, uh, so that you can, I guess, perpetually keep your score in the 700s if that's what you want to do. Again, you want to like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave any comments about the video, and like I said, you can check us out at paperwerkscredit.com. That's www.paperworks, works is spelled with an E, not an O, credit.com. All right, thank you. Have a good one. One other thing I forgot to mention, we also, if any of you guys are looking to work with us as far as fixing your credit or getting funding, we're going to put a link to the credit monitoring also below this video. It's also on our website. As far as getting deletions, we use this particular credit monitoring service because it helps us get deletions quicker. So I'm not going to go into detail about that, but also check that out so you can set up your credit monitoring. If you want to give us a call or text us, 773-373-9184, so we can take a look at the file and give you a straight opinion or pricing or time as far as getting your file completed. All right, thanks.